Buddhist missionaries from China introduced hand printing. Open Japanese book. Tailoring sutra. Ask. Beta, it developed in China.